Reach it yourself. The honey tree. Winnie the Pooh was a fat little bear, and Winnie the Pooh like honey. One day, Pooh saw a honeybee. The honeybee went out of the house, and Pooh went out of the house too. The honeybee went down the path, and Pooh went down the path too. The honeybee went into the wood, and Pooh went into the wood too. The honeybee went to a big tree, and Pooh went to the big tree too. The honeybee went up the big tree, and Pooh went up the big tree too. He went up to the top of the tree. Crack! Pooh went down. Pooh landed with a bump. He got up and went to see Christopher Robin. "Could you help me?" said Pooh. Pooh sat in some mud. Christopher Robin gave Pooh a big balloon. Pooh went up to the top of the tree. He got some honey. Whoosh! The balloon went down, and Pooh went down too. He went down. Pooh landed on top of Christopher Robin. "Silly old bear," said Christopher Robin. The end. If you like this video, hit subscribe. Bye bye.